Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your signature in Tutanota. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to set up the signature, just simply open your Tutanota application on your computer. Now, after opening the application, just simply go to Settings by clicking on this gear icon on the left side. Click into that and select the email option in here. Now, after coming into here, you will get this email signature option set to default. Now, you just simply have to click on this pen icon here. After coming to this tab, you can select your signature by clicking into this tab. Just simply select your signature into custom here. And after setting up your signature into custom, you can change it from this box here. Just simply type the signature that you want. And after doing this, just simply click OK button, and your signature in Tutanota will successfully be saved. By following these very easy steps, you can easily set up your signature in Tutanota. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.